Need to make a round logo? Want to update your profile picture on social media? No problem. It takes seconds to create round-shaped photos in PhotoWorks, and we'll show you how to crop an image into a circle with this software right now. Firstly, upload your photo, then select Crop Image in the left-hand panel. You can also go to the Tools tab and choose Crop and Rotation. To make the picture round, select Circle. Move the selection and drag the handles to change its size and position. When done, hit Apply. If you don't need to make any other adjustments, click Save. That's how to crop a circle image in an instant. Try PhotoWorks and make stunning pictures today.